Hi everyone, today I am going to show teaching aids kit which I used in the classroom as well as for the demo. This is a simple shoe box which I took and I decorated it and then used as a teaching aid kit in the classroom. Just wanted to share how you can utilize this one. Here in this kit at a go you can carry so many teaching aids. You can carry the topics related to language, the topics related to EVS, and then the topics related to math. At a go you can carry so many things, so it makes your life easy to carry things teaching aids. Then I used to carry so many items like this. I felt it will be useful for you, whoever is trying. So alphabet chart also, we can carry it like this. And then topics related to language. So many things you can keep in one box at a go and you can carry it easily. And a story, and at the back side I have made a pouch so that you can keep your hand inside and then narrate a story, and also you can insert the characters which you are going to use to narrate the story. I have made like this and it was very useful for me. Whenever I used to go for a demo or inside the classroom, I used to use this box and children used to feel excited to see what ma'am has brought to the classroom. And this is a small teddy. Whenever you are going to introduce a topic or something, you can use this teddy as a character and then introduce the topics to them. And then these are the credit cards, like if they listen you are going to give a smiley to them, and then a star, and then show that the classroom is so noisy, so ma'am is sad. So these emotions you can use it to manage the classroom. So at a go you can carry so many things. So I felt this will be useful for you whenever you are going for an interview or inside the classroom. If you want to use it, if you are working at present, I thought it is useful for all of you. Thank you all. You also can make a teaching aid kit like this and use it effectively in the classroom. Bye bye.